Rider. It's choreographed by Sierra Gil and Dustin Valcalda. It is a 32 count, 2-well, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Flow Rider. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do cross points. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly over your left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly over your right and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do hip sways. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side and we're going to sway our hip to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Now you can play with this. I like to kind of make them go like around a little bit or back and forth. You can kind of have a little bit of fun with that part. We're now going to do a right rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our jazz box cross. You're going to step and sway. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do toe struts forward. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. Touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do 2 quarter pivots. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to repeat that. Step forward with your right, do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Now some styling that you can do for that section. On your toe struts, you can also bump your hips as you do it. So as you touch, you'll bump, bump, step, bump, bump, step. On your pivots, you can also kind of add your hips in to make up a little bit of hip roll when you do those 2 pivots. So let's try it with some counts. We just finished our rocking chair, so you're doing your toe struts. Weights on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to walk with a kick and back with a touch. So we're going to walk forward, right, left, right, kick your left foot forward, step back, left, left, and touch your right next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. On walls 1, 9, and 10, the music will say get higher. When those walls happen, if you would like, you can bring your hands up on your walk and then back down as you go back to your touch and then start the dance over again. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. I'm going to add on the extra styling for the walkthrough, and you can just leave it out if you would like, or you can join in as well. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross point. So it's cross, point, jazz box, cross. Step, sway, 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 sway. Rocking chair, toe strut, right, left, step, quarter pivot, walk with a kick, back with a touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. The dance is going to end facing 12 o'clock. It ends on your final walk back with a touch. What I like to do is just step to the side instead of touching. But again, you don't have to do that. You can just end with your touch, and it ends right at the end of the song. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your cross point. Cross point, jazz box, cross. Step, sway, 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 sway. Rocking chair, toe strut with the right, the left, 2 quarter pivots. Now walk with a kick, back with a touch, cross point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross point, jazz box, cross step sway, right, left, rocking chair, toe strut, right, left 2 quarter pivots, walk with a kick, back with a touch, cross point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Flow Rider. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.